Hello lovelies, and welcome back to Naturally Miss Kris. Today I'll be sharing with you guys my seafood cauliflower casserole. I began by adding my bell peppers to 2 tablespoons of butter and let that simmer until the bell peppers are transparent. I used half of a yellow bell pepper and less than half of a red and orange bell pepper. I'm not sure if I mentioned this at the beginning, but now we are making our own alfredo sauce. This is what I'm doing. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of garlic to the bell pepper and butter mixture, and I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I decided to make my own alfredo sauce because I searched YouTube looking for a keto or low carb alfredo sauce, and they were all bland. So I told myself, I was like, self, you know what, you can try this yourself because you are a DIY girl, and I'm pretty sure you can come up with something real quick. It smells so good in here. I wish y'all can smell it. Our sauce is coming together now, so I'm adding the cream cheese. Sit your cream cheese at room temperature for a while so that it's soft, or if you want, I guess you can throw it in the microwave, but I prefer to just let it sit out and let it soften on its own at room temperature. I added these pictures in here to show which brand that I use. I use mozzarella and Parmesan cheese because that's all I had on hand, but I prefer using only Parmesan cheese. I think that it tastes better. Here I am using a whisk just to make sure that I don't have any lumps or clumps from the cream cheese or the cheese. Look at this creamy deliciousness. The sauce is pretty much complete. I'm going to be adding a few extra seasonings and spices just to give it a extra flavor, but I don't season it as much because I season my meat a lot, so I don't want it to be too salty. Seasonings, I season until the good Lord says stop, or until I'm sneezing. I picked up a pound of seafood mix from Walmart, but it wasn't enough in my opinion, so I added a extra pound of shrimp to it. I had to add some Louisiana hot sauce to give it that extra kick. These are the seasonings that I use to season my seafood mix with. I hate cauliflower, so I chopped them up as small as I could. I use parchment paper just in case the cheese will decide to stick, and cover that with foil paper and put it in the oven, which is set at 350 degrees. I left it inside of the oven for 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like when it's all done. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below in the comment section, or just let me know that you're here. Now is the time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And I will see you lovelies in the next video. See ya!